Kaley Cuoco went to the Hot Living to promote her cover, which actually Hanako did the makeup for because I was out of town. But she did a beautiful job, and I love that Hanako, and I love that Kaley Cuoco. But I did get her ready for the party, and this is the look that I did. Do you want to see what I did? Then you should watch this video. Let's start with the eye. We took a little Anastasia brow palette, which this has been through the ringer. So little angle brush. I like to mix the two colors. It just makes it a little bit more pronounced. Nothing crazy. Now sometimes when you don't have enough hair, you need a little bit of like a waxy texture, and then the powder will stay on better because it can adhere to the waxy texture. Okay, brows done. Lorac, the behind the scenes eye primer, I just took a little smear of that and I placed it just on the lid. Now normally I place it up here, but because we just did this around the eye at the lid and the lower lash line, that's the only place I'm putting it, and I'm using my finger. Isn't it funny we all go, whenever we do makeup to our eyes, we're like, next, I took this Jenny Patinkin. Yes, she's related to Mandy Patinkin. We just found out. We didn't know, but now we know. We took her vegan brush. This is a little smudger, line smudger brush. I went to the store and I just went shopping, and it's called Black Up, and this is number 06, Black Up. It's like a shimmery burgundy, a light shimmery burgundy. And I just etched it around the eyes. So this color is gorgeous now, but we're gonna add just a little kick of the Charlotte Tilbury Smoke Fumes. It's a little darker burgundy, and we're gonna just put it on top of it. So there we go. It's a little bit of Crazy Town. Then you take your fingers and kind of smudge it a little bit more. Doesn't need to be perfect. And there it is. That's the whole eye, you guys. Now we're gonna just put a little bit of mascara on, some fake lashes, a little face, and you won't even believe it. Remember, 10 seconds on each lash. Bring your lashes way up. Trying out this new Caviar Volume Laura Mercier's brand new mascara. Now we're putting on the mascara first because we want to create a good base to the lashes. Okay, let's do it. A little nail glue. Just kidding. This isn't nail glue. This is... Shut up back there. We're shooting. I don't like the word shut up, but sometimes it just comes out. This is eyelash glue. These are picky lashes. Let's be picky about our lashes. If you know me by now, you know that I'm obsessed with Dermaflash, and I love to flash all my ladies. It takes off any dead skin, any excess peach fuzz, and leaves your skin perfect. It's a perfect canvas for any sort of makeup. I'm obsessed. If you want to learn more, just watch one of my videos. Haven't I done a video on Dermaflash? Right here. Just go through right here. Okay, so Cover FX primer. We did the dewy primer. And leaves your skin super hydrated. So I only put the primer on my face right here. I don't put any up here because I don't want to be dewy there. And I'm not going to put any down here, or really I don't want to put any on my chin. A little Armani foundation, never hurt nobody. I like to squeeze it directly in the brush, and then I just buff it on. Look at that, already took my zit away. For those of you wondering, the color I wear is 7, believe it or not. It's spring summer, so I like to add a little bit of warmth. Now, if you look, it is definitely darker than my skin color. You see that? But I want it to be, because you guys, I want to look tan and healthy. Armani's got like a nice light to medium coverage, and you can obviously add more if you need more coverage. Using some Urban Decay De-Slick. It's their mattifying powder, so I'm just going to take it down the T-zone. My neck. Kosas Tropic Equinox, obsessed with this. Check it. So this again is just gonna give a really dewy complexion. So pretty. And then a little bit of the color. It's like a nude. We're just gonna stay in that nude family as to not compete with the eyes. And then for her lip, we actually went a little darker than I normally do with her. I gave her the lip, so I don't have it, so I'm gonna find something comparable. I'm gonna take a little brown shadow. And this sounds crazy, you guys. This is kind of the exact color she wore. So you can take powder and put it on your lips. That's it. That's all she wrote, people. Might take a little bit more powder just to like take away this, because if we were doing camera, it would be like super reflective. And it'll stay on, and it's matte. You can go shiny if you want. You could add gloss to it. So that's it. Kaley Cuoco, a little bit country, a little bit goth and roll. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, comment, follow, do it. Wear your seatbelt, and don't forget to wear your Invisalign at night.